Today on Mic Attempts, 3D printer exhaust fan. In a previous video, I designed and built this 3D printer enclosure. I specifically positioned it next to the window so I could add an exhaust fan in the future, and the future is now. My original plan was to drill a circular grid of holes in this area to mount a fan. But why make more holes when I already have one? Plus, my hot end fan blows towards the back of the enclosure, so it's a better option anyway. I began by finding the windowsill angle with a T-bevel and cutting the bottom edge of a 2x6 with a circular saw. Next, I used a hole saw because I thought I'd be mounting the fan to the surface of the board. I quickly changed my mind and decided it would be better to mount the fan inside the hole. I chose wood, but you could also 3D print it in sections if you wanted. After painting, I realized I forgot to account for the lip. I should have made the hole higher. I slapped on a 1x2 to correct my mistake, added some paint, and now it fits great. I picked up this USB fan with a speed control switch and used an adapter to plug it into an outlet. I filed a groove for the wire and pressed the fan into place. I ordered 3-inch flexible ducting and printed a flange that will screw right onto the fan. With the addition of weather stripping, we have a nice seal around the edges. I put a piece along the top as well. The flange fits perfectly with no gaps. Now I just need to connect the duct to the enclosure. Here's what I came up with. These two pieces snap together with the plexiglass sandwiched between. I was gonna glue them, but the fit is so tight I couldn't separate them. The bottom is flat and the groove around the edge is just a hair wider than the acrylic. The top portion of my enclosure is removable, so the piece can easily be slid into place. With everything installed, here's what it looks like. I have only ever printed using PLA, and while the fumes are considered the lowest toxicity of any filament, I feel better using the exhaust fan. When not in use, the board is removed. Now I feel more confident printing with pretty much any filament except ABS or ASA, both of which contain styrene. And while short-term exposure can cause flu-like symptoms, long-term exposure can be fatal. There's usually a sweet scent when printing, but now I can't smell anything. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.